Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G56, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up boot options, and from them, hold power off. This in turn changes into safe mode, which you just confirm by selecting OK. Your device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically will enter safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so neither you nor the device can start it up, and this is done for troubleshooting purposes. Now I'm gonna let it boot up and come back to just kind of showcase this mode very quickly. Okay, there we go. So you can see we have a watermark at the bottom, and we have things like widgets actually don't work here as well. And if I switch to another page, actually it looks like Motorola hides the applications that do not work in this mode. There should be more applications visible in here, but they're just not. And there should be some apps, I believe, right here as well, which there aren't any. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, as it is pretty limiting, hold power button and volume up again, and this time around you're just going to select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically enters the normal mode. So with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.